Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Vibes Cartel steps closer to being released as the Deputy Public Prosecutor Paula Llewellyn steps down. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier, your favorite Jamaica. If it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, build up the Rastaman panel. After Friday's court ruling, King's Counsel Michael Hilton announced Paula Llewellyn must step down from her role as the public prosecutor for Jamaica as of today, pending a potential appeal. This decision following a constitutional court judgment declaring her extension in the post passed last year as being unconstitutional. Hilton represented opposition lawmaker Philip Paulwell and Peter Bunting emphasized that the case was not about Llewellyn personally, but about the upholding rule of law and representing of the Constitution. He expressed situation with the court's decision, highlighting the importance of constitutional adherence. Paulo echoed these sentiments, underscoring ruling significance in upholding governance constitutional principle. He criticized the government handling of the situation, suggesting that better engagement on the opposition could have prevented this embarrassment. The court decision to deliver by Justice Sonya Wint-Blair upheld constitutional amendment raising the retirement age of the DPP and Auditor General to 65, but deeming the provision allowing Llewellyn to choose to remain in the office beyond 60 as unconstitutional and void. The judgment clarified that any further extension of the DPP's tenure must be agreed upon by the Prime Minister and opposition leader as outlined by the Constitution. Ladies and gentlemen, the case underscored broader concern but Holness administration approach to the constitutional amendment, which have faced legal challenges due to the lack of constitutional which oppositions and rushed legislation process. The controversial amendment allowed Llewellyn extension tenure was passed without opposition support on the same day as was introduced in the House Representative. Llewellyn, who has served the DPP since 2018, has previously received a 3-year extension beyond the retirement age in 2020. Which expired in September 2023. The court ruling mandates her departure from the role pending further legal developments or potential appeal. L.A. Lewis, who has been a public supporter of Vibes Cartel, quickly posted a story. He captioned his post, "My people, you think me did a joke when me say she have to go. You feel me? Walk obia? Me never tell you me I go fix that ugly woman. Your business." 777 on a person told you L.A. Lewis that me rate you up your fee. Tide 7777. The popular fan page of Vibes Cartel on Instagram wrote, "Good news everyone. Prosecutor Paula Llewellyn was forced to leave the office today, which is good. Paula Llewellyn was a disgusting, awful, wicked, corrupt human being. She did Vibes Cartel really dirty. She made Vibes Cartel in the prison for so many years. She's full of it." A pre-trial 5 days long court hearing is set to start on June 10th surrounding the Vibes Cartel murder case. At the moment, it's unclear if Llewellyn would be able to pursue her legal battle against Vibes Cartel with the DPP position uncertain. As we have heard now and updated a few moments ago, there has been an interim DPP appointed because Claudette A. Thompson has been appointed as the acting director of public prosecution, DPP, effective Monday, April 22. Her appointment by the Public Service Commission and which are announced by the Ministry of Justice a short while ago following the departure of Paula Llewellyn under the controversial circumstances that her service in the past 16 years might have a tarnish on it because they're saying that it was unconstitutional. Now, for the first time in 16 years, Jamaica is to have a new director of public prosecution with an interim director to be appointed today, which she was. Like I'm telling you, her name is Claudette A. Thompson, and she has been appointed as the new DPP, the new public prosecutor. The development comes here as a long-standing DPP Paula Llewellyn was appointed in March 2008 and who had previously extension of her tenure, which has been reported by the courts as being unconstitutional. It was decided on Friday, and this bombshell ruling by the courts that the second extension that was granted to her by Andrew Holness was unconstitutional. The courts then in itself said that this appointment was void and the validation of the amendment on the Constitution was incorrect. She was to retire from, she was 60. Now the courts have raised the retirement age to 65. Llewellyn right now is 63 years old. And she was granted extension of her tenure when she was 60. According to press release, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Derek McCoy-led Attorney General Chambers said on Sunday, said that ambiguity arise from the court's ruling was, rescindent to Llewellyn stepping aside due to the ambiguity and the consequence uncertainty arise from the full court's judgment. Paula and Bunting, an Attorney General, the Director of Public Prosecutor, had advised that she is unable to carry out her function of her office at this time and has released a statement. The Attorney General Chambers also reiterated that the accordance with Section 96.3 of the Constitution, the office would be appealing the full court's decision. The AG had insisted on Friday that the court ruling had no impact on Llewellyn's statute as DPP. Significantly, she would have remained in office while the appeal took place. Now, the chamber said that the PSC will be involved in appointing a qualified person. Like I said, they have appointed Claudette A. Thompson. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I think that cartel should get off of the case because there has been so many irregularity right now, so many violations of the Constitution of Jamaica, so many violations of the artists, and it's been so many years, so many millions of dollars, and this youth and 3 other of his co-accuser have spent over 12 years now, about 12 years now in prison for something that has so much morass in the clarity of what's going on. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen, and let me know if you think that it's the right decision. Paula Llewellyn, 16-year veteran as the deputy prosecutor of, Jamaica, has to step down, and she has walked away gracefully. Now they have thrust another lady in the position, Claudette A. Thompson, as the Director of Public Prosecutor. Right now, cartel fans are elated and rejoicing because the artist is one more step closer to being free. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if you think that the DPP should have stayed on this trial because she has started it to see it out, or do you think that the whole case should be thrown out just on the fact that the person prosecuting cartel has been unconstitutionally appointed? Imagine them just have violated the artist, but the artist is staying strong and Jana sleep. The people them seeing what's going on. Now, if true justice is there, when he going into this retrial, they will throw out this case but I don't think they're going to find a 12-man and woman jury in Jamaica today, 2024, after Cartel has spent 12 years in jail and is co-accused, and they still have no body, no gun, and they have so many irregularities. Would the Privy Council have sent it back? And now the deputy prosecutor for the state has to step down because she has been unconstitutionally appointed. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you think say Adi Ago walk by the end of the year. More life and more joy, more happiness. If not, tell me if you think the justice system failed.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
Deep Root TV. Big up yourself. Fire,